Hi, in this short video, Dango and I are in Foley Swamp in Luzerne, Michigan in 2017. We hear some knocking and clacking going on, and we turn the camera on, and this is what we see. Don't expect to see very much. I got some stills in the end. They're too well hidden in this brush. Every once in a while I can see a couple eyeballs, and that's about it, but it's pretty interesting. Dude, it's like Morse code. The camera doesn't pick up the soft clacking, but they're right in front of us. They're hard to see. If you look, you can see a little bit.
О, dinosaur! Не пугап!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.